comes out really easily. So we got that cream cheese in the middle of there, the chocolate chip cookie mix on the bottom and top, nice and brown. I like it a little bit darker so you can see we did that, but let's take a bite. Hey guys, it's Lakysha with What's Next, here again in my husband Johnny's kitchen. Here for another quick and easy recipe, another dessert this time. Now I don't do a whole lot of desserts, but I've decided to do another one because it's something that is delicious and I can't wait for you to see it. We're gonna go ahead and make some chocolate chip cream cheese bars. Now doesn't that sound delicious? All right, let's get started. I'm gonna start off with a 9 by 13 baking dish. I'm going to add a little bit of spray in the bottom so we don't have to worry about the sticking. Preheat your oven to 350 before you get started. I'm going to take one of the Toll House chocolate chip cookie packs. These are the ones that are the squares that you can just bake really easily, but we're not going to do it in the squares. We're actually going to roll it out into this pan, or I guess push it out into this pan with our hands. So I'm going to take this out. It has softened up a little bit, which is perfect because we want to just kind of push it until we get it nice and flat in the bottom of our pan. But it should cover the whole bottom of your glass baking dish. And you don't need to come up the sides. Just have it right across the bottom, nice and even and flat. Once you get that one finished, we're going to take some of the Cheesecake no bake. I've used this before on a recipe. And we're going to scoop that right onto here. Now you could in fact make your own cheesecake mix. It is simple to make, but this of course goes along with my quick and easy because I don't have to take the time to make the cheesecake mix. So this is a pre-made no bake cheesecake mix. And you can get it pretty much at any grocery store. It's not super expensive. So we're just going to fill this whole pan on top of the cookie dough with this cheesecake mix. Now you're probably not going to use all of the mix, or I guess it's not mix, but the actual cheesecake. You're not going to use all of it, but we're going to cover all of that cookie dough. And now we're going to take another package of those Toll House cookies and we're going to add another layer. If I can, my hands are kind of slippery here. Wipe them off so I can open this. Or not. Let me grab some scissors here. There we go. Much better. So now with this layer, we're not going to spread it like we did with the last one. We're going to take it in our hands, just kind of break it up as much as you can, and just kind of lay it all across the top in these little pieces. Out delicious. So I'm just about finished here. I just want to make sure that all areas are kind of covered up with this, but yet not a solid. Remember, this is just a bunch of pieces of the cookie dough. There we go. All right, well, that is it. So now I'm going to put this in the oven. I preheated on 350. I'm going to put it in there to bake. I'm going to utilize the normal time that you would for a cookie. However, I'm going to go probably just a little bit past that. So I'm looking at about 30 minutes, maybe even 35, and you're going to time that according to your oven. You'll want this to be nice and golden brown by the time you take it out. So once we take it out, we'll put it in the refrigerator to cool, and then we'll come back so that you can see the finished product and we can do the yummy taste test. Okay, so we're back. We have the finished product here. We have baked it nice and golden brown, put it in the refrigerator so that it could cool, and it is time to taste it. Let me go ahead and cut this. Now remember, this is the chocolate chip with the cream cheese. So we're just going to take and make these like little bars. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. It comes out really easily. So we got that cream cheese in the middle of there, the chocolate chip cookie mix on the bottom and top. Nice and brown. I like it a little bit darker so you can see we did that. But let's take a bite. Oh my goodness. This is so good with this cream cheese, or this cheesecake, I'm sorry, inside. It's so delicious. And the chocolate chip cookie is just right. Very, very good. I'm gonna take another bite. This is delicious. You could even, if you wanted something really sweet, pair it with some vanilla ice cream. You could maybe heat it a little bit now, get it a little bit warm, but it's nice and soft. Look at that. So delicious, and that cheesecake inside is just making that chocolate chip cookie so moist. So delicious. This is definitely a pleaser. Everyone is gonna want more and more of this. I'm Lakysha with What's Next, and I'll see you next time.
Cooking up a quick one, easy meals in Johnny's kitchen. Cooking up a quick one, doing fine in Johnny's kitchen. The salt and the pepper, the heat and the spice, everything is easy.